the sky, feeling bolder.
Going up, going up, going all the way. Going up, yeah, 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 yeah. Going up, going up, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going higher.
There are many pros and cons to doing the CM. If you don't know what the CM is kind of like a test for everything you've learned on your level. You have a few music pieces that are appropriate for your level, and then someone judges your playing on the music. Many people have mixed opinions about doing the CM. I personally think it's a great way to review everything you learned in the past about piano, but I'm sure there are some people that don't like it. Maybe people don't like it because it makes them really nervous, or maybe it's too much extra work for them. Even though some people don't like CM, there are some people that like CM, or maybe some in the middle, like me. I think I fall in the middle because whenever it's time, I'm not excited for CM, but I still really like it. Performing in front of even just one person just makes me nervous, and I'm sure some people will agree. When I first started CM, I didn't really like it because it got me really nervous, and then over the past few years, I realized that it helped me a lot. It gave me something to work towards over the past year.